Hi there, hope you have a fantastic day today. This lesson I will teach you substitution. Of course, there is a PDF file version on the description below for you to download so you can work with me. Otherwise, let's go straight into it. First one. So we know that x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 5. And we need to evaluate 4y. Now 4y means 4 times y. Now in this case, y here is equal to 5. So y is equal to 5. So this means that 4 times y. So y is 5. So we have 4 times 5. So 4 times 5 is 20. So the answer is 20. Part B. So we have 2 lots of x plus 2 lots of y. So we know that 2x is equal to 2 times x. And 2y is 2 times y. So let me just write on here. So 2x, 2 lots of x. So x is equal to 3 because x is 3. So we have 2 times 3. And we add 2y. So in this case, y here is equal to 5 because y is equal to 5. So we have 2 times 5. And please do not forget, we need to do order of operations. So first of all, let me just do 2 times 3 first. So that will give me 6. And then we have 2 times 5. So that will give me 10. So 6 plus 10. So the answer is 16. Part C. So we have x plus y over 2. So that is equal to, so we know x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 5. So x is 3, y is 5. So we just evaluate that, becomes 3 plus 5, that over 2. And this means that we need to work out the numerator first because 3 plus 5 and then divide by 2. Okay, keep that in mind. So 3 plus 5 is 8. The answer is 8 over 2. Now don't forget 8 over 2 is exactly the same as 8 divided by 2. That's what that means, okay? So over means divided by, okay? So that will give me 8 divided by 2 is 4. So there you go. Part D. So we have 3. Let me just write this down first. 3 lots of 2y. But in this case, y, we have y here. And y is 5. So let me just write this down. So 2y means 2 times y. But y is 5. So this means 2 times 5. And minus x. So we have x here. So x is 3. So we replace with 3. So which is minus 3. So there you go. So we need to do order of operations. We have to do inside brackets first. So this means that we do 2 times 5 first. And we know that 2 times 5 is 10. So the 3, we write it down. So that gives me 10 minus 3. So that will give me 10 minus 3. We have to do inside brackets first. So 10 minus 3 is 7. So that will give me 3 bracket 7. And we know that 3 bracket 7 means 3 times 7, if you like. So 3 bracket 7, it means 3 times 7. And we know that 3 times 7 is 21. So the answer is 21. Otherwise, you can just put that on a calculator. So let me just show you how. So what we do, we just put that on a calculator. So we have 3 brackets 2 times 5. 3 brackets 2 times 5 minus 3 and close brackets. So there you go, 21. Please pause the video and try this one yourself. Hi there, I'm back. How did you go? So let me go through it with you, okay? Before I do that, please do not forget to give me a thumb up and subscribe if you haven't done so you can help me to grow my channel. So let's get into this. So first one. So 5q. Don't forget 5q means 5 times q. So let me just write this down. So 5 times q. But we know that q here is equal to 4. So we just write 5 times 4. So 5 times 4. So 5 times 4 is 20. So we just write this down. Part B. So we have 2 lots of p and plus 3 lots of q. So 2 lots of p or 2p, it means 2 times p. So we write 2 times p. But in this case, we have p is equal to 3. So we just go 2 times 3. And we add 3k. Don't forget 3k, it means 3 times k. So 3 times k, we just go 3 times k. But in this case here, k is equal to 7. So we just write 3 times 7. Now we just need to work that out. So that will give me 3 times 2. We do multiplication first, equal to 6. And then we add 3 times 7 is 21. Now, if you're not sure how to work it out, like if you're not very good with your timetable, of course, you can just put that on a calculator, but you do need to show this working out, okay? So we just add this up now. So 6 plus 27. So that becomes, so 6 plus 21 is 27. So there you go. I hope you got it correct. Part C. So we have Q. So Q, in this case here, we know that Q is 4. So we just write it down. And then P. So we have P is 3, K is 7. So P plus K means 3 plus 7. So just write this down. So 3 plus 7. Of course, you can just put that on a calculator, but try to do without calculator first, okay? Unless you have to, then you use calculator. So we go inside bracket first. So 3 plus 7 is 10. So 4 bracket 10. That means 4 times 10. So 4 times 10 is 40. So there you go. Now, if you put that on a calculator, you should get exactly the same answer. So let's try it. So we have 4 brackets 3 plus 7, close bracket. So there you go, 40. Part D. So we have 2k. That means 2 times k. So k is 7. So this means that 2 times k, it means 2 times 7. And minus p squared. Don't forget, p squared is also the same as p times p. Otherwise, we just write p squared first. But in this case, p is 3. So therefore, 3 squared. And we know that 3 squared is 9. So we can just do 4 times 7, which is 14. And we minus 3 squared. But 3 squared is 9. 3 times 3 is 9. And then we just go 14 minus 9. So 10 minus 9 is 1. We add 4 is 5. So the answer is 5. So there you go. Part E. So we have QK minus P over 5. So remember, QK is exactly the same as Q times K. And we know that Q is equal to 4, K is equal to 7. So QK means Q is 4 and we times K. In this case, K is 7 and we minus P. And we know that P is 3. So we just minus 3 and over 5. So that will give me, so we just need to evaluate the numerator first. That is the top fractions. So we do 4 times 7 first. So 4 times 7 is 28. And then we minus 3. And over 5. Again, we need to evaluate the numerator first. Simplify if you like. So we have 28 minus 3. So that will give me 25. So that is 25 over 5. Now don't forget 25 over 5 is the same as 25 divided by 5. Okay, so don't forget. So 25 divided by 5 is 5 because 5 times 5 is 25. So the answer is 25. Last one, P plus K over Q. So we know that P is give me 3. So P is 3. So we replace with, or we substitute P with 3. And we add K. So K here is equal to 7. So we just replace or substitute K with 7. And then that over Q. And we know that Q is equal to 4. So we just divide by 4. And we have to work out the top first, the numerator if you like. So 3 plus 7 is 10. And that's 10 over 4. And we know that 4 go to 10 is 2 because 4, 8. Okay, so remainder 2. So 2, remainder 2. So let me just write down here. So that is equal to 2 and 2/4 because remainder 2. So 2 over 4. But then don't forget 2 over 4 is a half. So 2 and a half. Or it can be written as 2.5 if you like. So it doesn't matter which form you're going to display your answer. Or you can just write 2.5. And your answer should be 2.5 or 2.5. So there you go. I hope you got all of them correct. And thank you so much for watching my videos. Bye.